Welcome to the Clean Earth Collective. It was a day for humility and wonder. Found this little creature in the backyard. Not sure how or why it died, but just look at the beauty of this thing. So incredible. I thought I would pick it up, and instead of leaving it lying there on the stones, put it perhaps in a place where it can have a dignified final resting place. But I couldn't help but admire the sheer beauty of this little creature. So different from us, and at the same time, we share a kinship, right? It's made of blood and bone and flesh. And then I happened to find this little guy on the same day, seemed to be struggling somehow. You don't really see these creatures on the ground like that. They're incredible flyers. It's a dragonfly. Did you know that they can fly backwards? So here he is sitting on concrete, and obviously something was wrong. It's not every day actually you encounter one of these remarkable creatures on the ground. So I decided to just pick it up and put it in a bush so somebody doesn't walk over it. But look how beautiful that is. Isn't that incredible? And we share a kinship with this too. Our world, which is just, full of life. It's the only place in the cosmos with life. The only place in the entire universe. Otherwise, not a microbe anywhere else. And we share a kinship with this little guy as well. Flesh and blood and water were the same, yet so different. Look at the wings. Ephemeral. How beautiful is that? Stunning, really. And this creature can fly as well. Lift off the ground and stay airborne. So different from us, and yet we have a kinship with all living creatures, of course. And then I was visited by this little thing here. Life on Earth. Look at this. You saw the other two creatures and now this. And finally, this thing came by. I had no idea what this was. I initially thought this was some kind of a wild chicken or something. Just found it walking around in the backyard. Look at that. Just amazing. That is a grouse. I had no idea what it was. I had to look it up. And this is the first time I've actually seen one of these ever. What a remarkable creature. So, this is what the Clean Earth Collective is about. We are about protecting the world for all living creatures, human and others alike. That's what we are about. Picking up the garbage that is disintegrating everywhere in our parks, on our roadsides, in our playgrounds. Stop toxins from leaching into our air, soil, and water.